Welcome to TaskAnyone, your daily task management system to simplify your workflow. We have designed TaskAnyone to be very powerful and flexible, but also quick to learn and simple to use. This is your task list page. It's what you see when you first log into your TaskAnyone account. From this page, you can view and manage your task lists. Now, since this is a new account, there are no tasks in here yet. So to create your first task, click Create New Task. From here, all you need to do is to provide a title such as My First New Task. Note that by default, the task will be assigned to you. Press Add this task, and there you will have created your first task. Later on, when you have finished the task, just click this box to complete it in TaskAnyone. Simple, fast, and almost no overhead. Of course, you can get more detailed. To assign the task to someone else, just type in their email here. Note the system will remember the email addresses that you used before, so you won't need to type them in every time. You can also add a file attachment, or you can click here for more options and add things like a description, start date, due date, a time estimate, and the task's priority. Now that we've added a task with some additional fields, you will notice that some more columns have shown up in our task list. TaskAnyone tries to keep this list as clean looking as possible by only showing the columns that have something useful to display. Descriptions can also be viewed from your list view. Clicking on the gear icon opens the task menu. If you want to edit a task, you can select Update Task from here. Of course, you can also just click on the task itself. On the Edit page, you can reassign the task, update any of the task elements, add notes, mark how much time you spent on it, put a task on hold, show that the task has been partially completed, or add a text status that will appear in your task list view. The task menu has a lot of useful functionality. You can insert tasks before or after the selected task. You can create child or subtasks. You can view a task's details and history of changes. You can set the task to not applicable if it doesn't need to be done anymore, but you still want to keep a record of it. Or you can simply delete it. If you've assigned a task to someone and want to get an update from them, you can send them a nag, and a simple email will be sent to them with a customizable reminder message. From these three dots, you can also drag and drop tasks using simple click and drag functionality to rearrange their order as you see fit. Finally, to keep your task view clean and simple, you can filter it by a range of criteria, such as who created it, who is it assigned to, its priority, when it's due, and more. By default, tasks that are completed disappear from your task view after a little over 24 hours, but they always remain in the system should you change the filter because you want to see them again.